Hi everyone, it's Alisha from Wayne Public Library, and today I'm going to bring you a craft and a story all about bridges. So our book today is going to be The Three Billy Goats Gruff by Paul Galdone, and then our STEM project is going to be to make a bridge out of craft materials you can find in your home. All right, let's get started.
Once upon a time, there were 3 billy goats. They lived in a valley, and the name of all 3 billy goats was Gruff. There was very little grass in the valley, and the billy goats were hungry. They wanted to go up the hillside to a fine meadow full of grass and daisies, where they could eat and eat and eat and get fat. But on the way up, there was a bridge over a rushing river, and under the bridge lived a troll who was as mean as he was ugly. First, the youngest billy goat Gruff decided to cross the bridge. Trip, trap, went the bridge. "Who's that tripping over my bridge?" roared the troll. "Oh, it is only I, the tiniest billy goat Gruff," said the billy goat in his very small voice, "and I'm going to the meadow to make myself fat." "No, you're not," said the troll, "for I'm coming to gobble you up." "Oh, please don't take me. I'm too little, that I am," said the billy goat. "Wait till the second billy goat Gruff comes. He's much bigger." "Well, then be off with you," said the troll. A little later, the second billy goat Gruff came to cross the bridge. Trip, trap, went the bridge. "Who's that tripping over my bridge?" roared the troll. "Oh, it is only I, the second billy goat Gruff, and I'm going up the meadow to make myself fat," said the billy goat, and his voice was not so small. "No, you're not," said the troll, "for I'm coming to gobble you up." "Oh, please don't take me. Wait a little till the third billy goat Gruff comes. He is much bigger." "Very well, be off with you," said the troll. Then up came the third billy goat Gruff. Trip, trap, went the bridge, and the third billy goat Gruff was so heavy that the bridge creaked and groaned under him. "Who's that tramping over my bridge?" roared the troll. "It is I, the big billy goat Gruff," said the billy goat, and his voice was as loud as the troll's. "Now I'm coming to gobble you up," roared the troll. "Well, come along," said the big billy goat Gruff. "I've got 2 horns and 4 hard hooves. See what you can do." So up climbed that mean, ugly troll, and the big billy goat Gruff butted him with his horns, and he trampled him with his hard hooves. And he tossed him over the bridge into the rushing river. Then the big billy goat Gruff went up the hillside to join his brothers. In the meadow, the 3 billy goats Gruff got so fat that they could hardly walk home again. They are probably there yet. So snip, snap, snout, this tale's told out.
Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the Three Billy Goats Gruff. And next, let's do our STEM activity.
To make my bridge, I'm going to use masking tape, popsicle sticks, and straws. But you can use all kinds of different things. I've seen people make bridges with index cards, with paper, with toilet paper tubes, paper towel rolls. So get creative with it. So line up the number of popsicle sticks that you're going to need for your craft today. The more popsicle sticks you use, the longer your bridge. Place tape on top of your bridge. Place tape on both sides of the top and then flip it over. To make sure my bridge isn't all floppy, I'm going to add straws to the bottom to give it extra support. At the four corners of my bridge, I'm going to attach the straws using some tape. Okay, it looks pretty sturdy. I think it's done.
All right, when you're done making your bridge, decide what you want it to go across. 2 tables, 2 chairs, whatever you like. See if it will balance. It does, yay! All right, so at this point, you can play. You can walk your fingers across the bridge. You could use some toys. You could make some puppets and play Billy Goats Gruff. Who's trying to cross my bridge? It is I, the smallest Billy Goats Gruff. Whatever you want to do. So I hope that you enjoyed today's story and craft. And until next time, bye.